Hello, my name is Dr. Samuel Morgan. I'm the chair of the Legal and Justice Department here at Central Penn College. In the world of law and justice, we often talk about the truth. When we think about figuring out the truth, we need to understand that perception and reality are actually very much intertwined, which is why most people don't recognize there is a difference. Reality is what it is. In addition to subjective and conscious factors, it creates our perception. In short, perception is how we understand and organize the complexities of life. Knowing the difference between reality and perception, it is not difficult to understand why the same event can be viewed in countless different ways, such as an eyewitness, and each carries radically different interpretations. For this reason, why professionals in the world of law and justice need to have a top-notch college education from a college like Central Penn. As a professional in this field, you're dealing with people's lives on a daily basis, and the decisions you make can have a great impact on them. So what that means is when we start to talking about perception and reality, it should be perception versus actuality. What is the world as you view it? We try to draw that out in class, and we do try to learn from each other, and that's very important. Again, my name is Sam Morgan. I am a doctor, but not the kind that helps people. I started my career, my working career in the United States military. I was 2nd Ranger Battalion, 75th Regiment, 82nd Airborne, 529th Infantry. When I got out of the military, I went to my Veterans Affairs office, was offered a position at Cumberland County Prison as a corrections officer. And from there, after several years, I made the jump into the police, and I worked at Lower Allen Township Police Department for 25 years before retiring in 2008 and coming to Central Penn. I also am an alumni of Central Penn. This is where I got my bachelor's degree from as a continuing ed student. Well, the Legal and Justice program actually has 4 separate programs. Obviously, the big boy in the block, criminal justice. Next under that would be Homeland Security Management, then paralegal and legal studies. But these all operate under the field within the constitutional law, and it tries to show students how the law applies to us all. And these programs, with especially criminal justice, it's a growing field. We try to meet that growing demand of comprehensive understanding of the criminal justice system, the relative bodies of law, specific subject matter consistent with each student's unique career ambition. Whether you be on 2 separate sides of that coin, you can be in the treatment side of criminal justice or the enforcement side. Treatment side would be like probation, parole, victim's witness, things of that nature, and the enforcement side obviously would be police. But we do try to have you select choice classes that are tailor-made for your individual needs and what you would like to do. And within Department of Homeland Security was creation in 2003, was the largest reorganization of the United States federal government since the formation of the Pentagon in World War II, Department of Defense. Currently it houses 22 agencies and employs about 250,000 federal employees. So you'll get a taste of what that is for. Then within the paralegal and the legal studies field, you can actually, one of the big things of that is that you can complete your law degree in 5 years. You can come here to Central Penn for 2 years, get all the compulsory classes out of the way, seamlessly transfer to Widener Law, and eventually obtain your Juris Doctorate degree in 3 years, which is a fantastic opportunity. So we're really excited about that. So there's a lot of things happening. But what's nice about the degree here at Central Penn, you truly will hear from practicing professionals in their field, whether adjunct or part-time professors or full-time as myself. These are the people that have not only talked the talk, but they've walked the walk, so to speak. They've been out there, they've done the job, they know what it's like, so they bring that real-world experience and try to connect those 2 worlds of academia and real-world experience. So it's very powerful. So specific degrees would be a criminal justice in administration. You could get an associate's or bachelor's in that. The Homeland Security Management is a bachelor's degree, and both paralegal and legal studies, you can use them to continue on and get your Juris Doctorate if you wish. So the coursework is really an amalgamation of hands-on academic writing, reading, researching that cover not applied to actuality with not only in the lessons covered, but how they are discussed from a position of real world experiences that these professors have. So they can show you how the law is applied in very specific situations, which is very important in a contextual realm. Labor and Industry, which is a research institute by the federal government, Labor and Industry predicts single to double digit growth in all these areas within the next 5 to 10 years. So you would set yourself up for any type of public safety, public service degree with any of these programs. We offer real world experience with knowledgeable instruction, local, close to home, that really truly do relate their actual experiences to the world of academics. All these people are practicing professionals, not academic researchers. In some colleges, within any program, you would get true academics that have only researched, read, and wrote about their specific topics. Here at Central Penn, we are career-oriented. Our mission is to make sure that you're satisfied in the career field of your choice and that you go out and get that career and not a job that you want to. That's what college is all about, that career orientation. And we can do this together. We try to anticipate your needs. We try to support you through the entire process, and we are always here. My door is always open to any student of any degree field here at Central Penn. We're very small, but come in, talk to us, and we will do the very best we can for you.